Hub rings. I'm going to show you what these things are for and what they do. If you've got aftermarket wheels, chances are you're going to need them. These are 20-inch rims, and if you've done the same thing, you put aftermarket wheels on your car, chances are that this bore diameter does not match your hub diameter. So let me show you what I mean by that. But before I do, I'm Eric, this is Horusworks. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more DIY videos like this. All right, let's get to it. So in here, this is your hub. This hub has a lip on it, and this lip is meant to sit inside this bore. The idea is that this bore in diameter matches the diameter of this hub, and the reason you want those two to match is that so that your wheel does not shake up and down or left and right as you drive around. If they do not match, like they don't on this one, let me show you what happens. All things being fair and equal, what you should now do is put your bolts on. But if this hub and this bore do not match the diameter, this is what happens. See how that's moving up and down? It's because the outside circle does not match the inside circle. Now, this is really bad news because what's happening is your nuts are captively holding your wheel in place, but there's nothing else supporting this wheel from shaking left and right, up and down. You've got that little play there. So eventually what might happen is you might get a shake in the steering wheel, or you might get a vibration, and that's because there are forces. As this wheel is moving up and down, left and right, there are forces working against your wheel nut. So eventually these could back out and come a little bit loose. You could also damage your hub from the vibration. So to solve that problem, to make sure that this wheel doesn't move around like that, what you can do is buy some hub rings. Now these hub rings basically close the space between your hub and your bore diameter. To find out what size you need, you just got to make a couple of measurements. Take your wheel off. Get yourself a measuring gauge like one of these, and now you can actually measure the hub. So there it is. My hub is 70.5 millimeters, and my bore, now if your gauge doesn't quite fit, there we go. So my bore is just over 73 millimeters, 73.1 or 2. So now you've got your measurements. Your hub is 70.5 and your bore is about 73.1, 73.2. So at this point, all you do is you head online, you find a supplier and you tell them what size hub rings you need. I'll leave a link in the description below on where I found my hub rings, but look, you can walk into a wheel and tire shop as well, and chances are they will have the hub rings that you need, or you can order them online like I have. So once your hub rings arrive, it's really simple. You attach one here, and if it's hard to go in, just give this a good clean first. A Scotch-Brite pad will do, and do the same to your hub. Okay. Look at that, like butter. So what I've done essentially here is reduced the diameter of my hub to match up with the diameter of my bore. So that is going to make things a lot safer for you because you got less chance of your wheel nuts vibrating loose or causing damage to your suspension by this absolutely giant 20-inch wheel working against your hub. So if I put this on now, look at that, nice and tight. That is now not going anywhere. Don't forget to torque down your wheel nuts. 100 Newton meters should do. And that's kind of it. There you go. Hub rings, really simple things, but they do a really important job. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more DIY videos just like this that you can do at home in your garage, much like I have today. But that's it, legends. That's hub rings for you. So if you've got this problem at home, go ahead and try this on your car. I'll see you next time.